Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. So in today's episode, we're going to talk about, is commercial roofing maintenance a ripoff? Being in commercial roofing, I've been around it for a while, but when I first got there, it sounds like insurance, something that they want you to pay for, you'll never have to use, and it'll just be a complete waste of money. But now that I've been, in the game for a little bit, brought me a new perspective. So it's not a ripoff, and I'm going to go through a couple of reasons why. First thing is, what actually gets done during roof maintenance, or what gets happened. So it's really an opportunity to identify small repairs before they turn into large, super expensive repairs. So what they'll do is they'll clean out your drains, clean out your gutters, identify any little nicks, holes, or cracks in your roof. Because if these things aren't fixed, the water's gonna get into your insulation and eventually into your building. Or if drains are continually clogged, the water will stand in your roof, which will reduce the life of your building. How many times per year is it recommended to do it? Really before and after winter are the most important times. You don't want water in your insulation being frozen through the winter, so you want to make sure it's all watertight before that and get all the fall leaves off there. And then after winter, in the springtime, it's about to be April showers. It's about to be super hot in the summer, so you want your roof prepared for all those different fluctuations in weather coming up. So before and after winter, it's an easy way to remember when you should get maintenance. It costs 2 to 5 cents a square foot, but there's a lot of variables in that. Does anything need to be removed and replaced? What happens if the roof is in good condition and you don't do much? It's probably on the lower end of that cost scale. So there's a lot more information in the blog post if you'd like to read more about the cost of that. But what would happen if you ignored maintenance on your roof? Well, the most important thing is your warranty could be voided. The warranty for coating, it requires at least annual maintenance on your roof. And the reason is, if there's leaves up top of there that get clogged and produce a standing water, it's gonna, make that coating not last as long as it should be. And if you have a 10-year warranty, that coating might not last that long if the whole roof's underwater the whole time. And any of those repairs will not be covered under warranty. And I want to think of maintenance as similar to your car. You definitely change the tires in your car, you change the oil in your car, and if you don't do that, your car's not going to last as long as it should be. You might have a 10-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, but that also includes you changing the oil and changing the tires and all that good stuff. So it's very similar to that case. If you want to read or learn any more about this, please click the URL in the description to learn more. Hope you learned at least one thing new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.